This is Matt from MGMT Boston. On another episode of The Lantern, I have Erez Kaminski.
Hey, everybody.
From Ketryx. We are dialing in from Kendall Square in Cambridge, here to talk about this really exciting vertical software company building for the medical device, life science industry, and soon much more. So, welcome.
Thank you, Matt. Thanks for having me here.
First and foremost, what is Ketryx? What are you guys building?
So Ketryx is a way to help people and computers and AI agents collaborate together to ship regulated products faster. We started by doing that in the medical device software space. Now we're expanding to hardware and other use cases outside of medicine. But fundamentally, it's a way to take the most important products people build in the world, which are all regulated, because when it's important, someone says you need to prove to us that it works, prove to us that it's safe, and help the largest companies build those products and ship them very, very fast. And also now we have a freemium offer that helps small companies do that as well. So you're welcome to try our website and then just go try it for yourself.
Amazing. Now, this startup Series A level has been growing massively this year. So tell us about some of those 2024 highlights that you'd share with the audience, and even what you all are thinking about heading into 2025.
Yeah, thank you. So I think this year we went out to the market and showed that there is a lot of Fortune 500s that are interested in what we're doing. We expanded quite a bit our footprint outside of one or two kind of Fortune 500 into Fortune 50s, into the tech industry, pharmaceuticals, as well as medical devices. We grew the team from 18 people to 50, and then we finally showed that it's not just an idea, but people can actually ship highly regulated medical software at the speed of regular software, and we helped some companies accelerate about 100x, 100 times faster over the current baseline. The last thing that I'm kind of most proud of is we've took part in helping about 10 million patients get access to better healthcare through technology, which I think is just really awesome and something you could live and work a lifetime for to get to.
Wow, that's incredible. And as we think about the next year, what are some of those milestones maybe you're aspiring to, or things you're thinking about as we really start to jump into the first half of 2025?
Yeah, so first and foremost, I'm looking forward to continue to accelerate our roadmap and how we can help 100 million patients get access to better healthcare in the next 5 to 10 years. The second part of that is continue to build with our public partners and show them how much better things can do, and then expand within them and just improve the use cases. I'm then looking forward to the growth we're going to see both in like the SMB section, the smaller companies and the large companies, and then starting to go into adjacent verticals outside of life science like automotive, aerospace, and things of that nature. And then I'm excited to see all the new team members that are going to join us. This year has been wonderful. I made some of the best relationships I've ever had, and I'm just so excited to see what other amazing people are out there to join our journey and help patients.
Excellent. Now, you've learned a lot building this startup, almost 4 years of Ketryx and your career beyond that. What are some of the things you would pass back about building venture-backed startups to members of the community who are interested to learn more?
Yeah, it's a great question. I feel like I've mostly learned how much I don't know. And I think that's very challenging to realize that, you think you've managed people, but managing a startup that's growing fast is a totally different beast.
Totally.
I feel like I've learned a lot about how people work and how, even though it's kind of obvious, companies are just organizations, just groups of people that have a shared and common purpose. This year has highlighted for me even so much more how much it's just all about the people. And we grew a lot, and we just wanted to learn from that more. How do we onboard people faster, value it faster, find the best talent, and let that talent perform and kind of work independently and just achieve the things they're trying to achieve together?
Definitely. And last but not least, how can we help you in Boston grow? What can we do to make Ketryx successful?
Yeah, so Boston is probably the greatest location ever to be doing what we're doing, especially in life science. Here in Kendall Square, 70% of all Fortune 500 life science companies are right here outside of our doorstep, walking distance from us. So we'd love to meet new partners to come help with this. If you're at a large company and you need help, we'd love to help you. If you're at a startup and you need help, come try our freemium package to try and use Ketryx. And then we're looking for people to hire to help us commercialize the product, work with customers, and help our partners and customers get value from Ketryx in order so they can deliver that value for patients. So looking for mission-driven people who want to serve patients and want to be part of an organization that's doing that.
Definitely. This is Erez from Ketryx. I'm Matt from MGMT Boston. Another episode of Lantern. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.